That's why I support a $15 minimum wage. Gavin is leading the way in California. I'm so tired of trickle-down economics. It's about time we build from the bottom up and the middle out. So California, keep Gavin and send a message this time. Give working people just a fighting chance. They have never, ever, 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 ever let the country down. All they want is just an even shot. They have never let the country down. Folks, I could go on, but here's the deal. I'm going to make this as simple as I can. You either keep Gavin Newsom as your governor, or you'll get Donald Trump. It's not a joke. Republican governor blocking progress on COVID-19, who is also anti-woman, anti-worker, a climate denier, who doesn't believe in choice. The choice should be absolutely clear. Gavin Newsom, you have a governor who has the courage to lead. And Gavin, you have a governor who shares the state's values. And Gavin, you have a governor to make sure Donald Trump's dark, destructive, divisive politics never finds a place in California. So please, not a joke, on behalf of the people of Delaware and Pennsylvania and Minnesota and all across America, don't take anything for granted. If you're registered, you've got a ballot in the mail. If you haven't opened it, open it, mark no, and put it in the mailbox tonight. If you want to vote in person, make sure you know where you're going to vote in your county. And if you've already voted, make sure your family and friends are voting tomorrow. California, I mean this sincerely, the eyes of the nation are on you. I'm not joking. I'm not joking about that. You've got to vote no on the recall. Keep Gavin as governor. The rest of America is counting on you, and so am I. God bless you all, and may God protect our troops. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you.